What's going on, guys? It's Johnny for HustleNation.org. So today we're going to be talking about how to buy gold as a stock. We all know gold's used as a diversification tool for your portfolio. You don't want to have too much in one place. It's also, used as a hedge against inflation. It's been used as that since the beginning of time. We all know the reasons why we want to buy gold, so let's talk about how you can buy it as a stock. Okay, so there's three different ways, to buy as a stock. And make sure you stay to the end, because the third way to buy gold is probably the best way. Probably you haven't heard of. Maybe you have, but this is really cool the way I found this. Okay, so the first way is to buy the trust. You go to your brokerage account, and the trust, the ticker symbol is GLD. Let's take a look at it real quick. All right, so the trust is GLD, which is the Spider Gold Shares. The trust holds gold bars and from time to time issues baskets in exchange for deposits of gold and distributes gold in connections with redemptions of baskets. Okay, so the objective is to reflect the current price, the price of gold bullion, okay, less the expenses. So what are the expenses? The expense ratio is 0.4%. So here, you're going to track the price of gold exactly. So you're going to be paying 0.4% as expense ratio. All right. It's still better than, physical gold, right? On physical gold, you have to pay for the storage. You got to pay for the shipping. You got to pay to receive. You got to pay for everything, right? So at the end of the day, you're not paying, just for the gold, right? You're paying for a whole bunch of stuff. So it's still better. In my opinion. I'm not a financial guy. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just telling you what I do, in my opinion. So do your own research and all that stuff. So that's one way. Buy the trust, right? Buy the trust. You're going to buy, and your money's going to go up and down with the price of gold. All right, so, The second way is not exactly buying gold as a stock, but you can buy gold mining company stock. Let's take a look at that. And there's several different ones, but I'm just giving you an example of you can buy gold mining stock. So the example is Barrick Gold Corporation. So obviously this is a company that mines gold, and the price of it might not correlate to the price of gold itself. So you're actually buying the company and not the actual physical gold. Okay, so but that's a way that a lot of people actually do it. Instead of buying gold, they buy the company that mines the gold. And let's take a look at their earnings. They've been earning money. Q3 2020, they earned 0.41 cents per share, 35 cents a share. In Q4, 29 in 2021, and their estimate is 31 cents a share. And they are, let's look at their financials real quick, the revenues against earnings. So they're making money. Making earnings, they didn't in 2018, they did 2017, they did in 2019, and they did in 2020. So, if that's something that interests you, then you can buy the gold shares. So let's look at the 1 year. There's the 1 year performance and 5 year performance. Another way to invest in gold is to invest in the gold mining companies that actually bring it from the ground. That's one way to do it. Like I said, it's not exactly doing it, exactly buying the actual gold, but the gold mining companies. But a lot of people do that, so I thought I'd throw that in there for you guys to think about. The third way, and I think the best way to do it, and good thing you stayed to the end, probably, maybe, don't know about this way yet, is to buy a stable coin that's backed by gold. Now don't click off, because we're not talking about crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, none of that stuff. It is a stable coin, it is a cryptocurrency, but it's backed 100% by gold, real gold. So if you buy 1 share of the stable coin, you buy 1 share of gold. And so let's take a look at it. And you're thinking, well, maybe it's not safe. Let's look at it real quick. So what we're talking about here is PAXG Gold. And if you're going to buy this, make sure you click the link in the description below, and you'll get some free Bitcoin if you buy $100 worth of this. PAXG Gold is pegged 1-to-1. Let's see here. It's commodity-backed gold stablecoin issued by PAXG. Each token is backed by one fine troy ounce of gold kept in Brink's vault, managed by Paxos, okay? So it allows for exposure to gold markets without using ETF, futures contracts, or any other derivative, right? So the advantage over other gold is you can redeem it for physical allocated gold. You don't have to buy the whole thing, right? You can do fractional ownership. And the best part about it is the fees. There's no holding fees, okay? And you can, instant settlement, you can buy it or you can sell it quickly, okay? But the bonus that you guys not going to get anywhere else, right, is, check this out. When you're holding it with Gemini Earn, that's their earning thing, you stick it in there. But you can put it in and take it out whenever. There's no fees to put in and take it out. You earn 1.25% just for holding it. I mean, how cool is that? So you want to opt into Gemini Earn, okay, and it's free to do and all that other stuff. It earns interest on your cryptocurrency, and you redeem it, and you can trade it, okay? So you can earn up to 8.05. If you haven't seen my video on the stock market crash, on how to deal with the stock market crash, I'll leave a link in there, and it talks about the GUSD, and I might make a video. Leave a comment in the box if you want me to make a video about the US dollar backed coin. So there's also a coin that's backed by US, but that's a different video. In this video we're talking about gold, so you can buy the gold and it's pegged exactly to the price of gold, okay? So you're getting 1 for 1, and you can buy fractional shares like I did, right? There is a fee. When I bought it, there was like a $3 fee, something like that. So I didn't get exactly. I mean, of course there's going to be a fee for buying it, but it's very minimal compared to the traditional ways and compared to the 0.4% that you're going to be paying. So you only pay one time. I bet you. I imagine you pay when you sell too, so $3 when you buy, $3 when you sell. At the time that I bought, it might be different. You can look in the fees, but so like I said, click in the description below. I'll leave links and make sure you use my link. And the good thing about the Gemini Earn is that your interest is compounded daily. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Your interest is compounded daily, not monthly, not yearly. It's compounded daily, just like the credit card companies do. So if you want to buy gold, this, in my opinion only, leave a comment below if you think it's right, you think it's wrong, you think it's terrible or great. Leave your comment below. But my opinion is that this is the best way to buy gold because you get interest on it. It's pegged 1 to 1. There's no management fees. There's just the small fee to buy and sell. Boom. Right? That's the way to buy, best way to buy gold. Okay. If you like that, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you want to hear more information about this, about these topics, and go to my website hustlenation.org. Make sure you put .org and subscribe to my newsletter so you get all this great information here for free. And thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it, guys. Please give me that like if you found this this interesting and beneficial to you. Leave a comment below. Tell me if I'm right, wrong, indifferent, whatever. And thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it, guys. Keep investing. Peace out.